Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change hairstyle on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. So that's the home screen, and just open a project, and you can find the lower bar and tap to the fourth button, the hairstyle. Here you can find, for example, the volume, for example, or the wavy, and you can set the string above that, and if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.